Welcome to our latest video, where we delve into the most popular articles recently posted on Medium.com. From Elon Musk's battle with Twitter to the future of Oman's renewable energy industry, and even a peek into the world of AI-generated tattoos. Remember, you can find the links to all the original articles in the description below. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Elon Musk's recent takeover of Twitter has led to a series of glitches and changes, including a push for users to subscribe to Twitter Blue. The billionaire's actions, including not paying for Twitter's operational costs, have sparked controversy and speculation about the future of the social media platform. For more insights, check out the full article.
In a bold move towards sustainability, Oman is looking to revolutionize its oil-based economy by becoming a global leader in the green hydrogen industry. This transition, while challenging, could potentially save the planet from the devastating effects of climate change. But can they really make the switch? Stay tuned to find out more about this fascinating development. Don't forget to check out the full article on Medium.com. Ever wondered why Apple products are so addictive? This article unravels the psychological tricks Apple uses to keep you hooked. From gamification strategies to color-coded spending tracking, Apple has ingeniously incorporated these elements into their products and services. Dive in to learn more about how Apple has redefined our interaction with technology. Don't miss out on this fascinating read. In an AI-driven future, the role of data scientists may change, but it won't become obsolete. Ken G discusses how AI tools like ChatGPT and GPT-4 are revolutionizing education and technical skill learning. He believes that even as AI takes over certain tasks, the expertise of data scientists will be crucial in overseeing and managing these AI systems. Tune into the full article to explore the future of data science in an AI-integrated world. In a quest for productivity and mental health, Will J. Murphy defies Apple's product designers by replacing his Magic Keyboard with a mechanical one. He questions the design choices of MacBook Air/Pro keyboards and their impact on typing experience and wrist health. He argues that modern keyboards provide less feedback, potentially causing extra strain on the wrist and hand. Intrigued by the praises for mechanical keyboards, he decided to give them a try. Find out more about his experience in the full article.
In this article, Luzwa Lin shares his experience with 4 Python projects that helped him level up from a beginner. These projects include creating a 2-player board game, learning to use Python Flask for web applications, automating password resets with Python Selenium, and setting up an AWS EC2 instance. These experiences not only improved his Python skills, but also taught him valuable lessons in problem solving and automation. Check out the full article for more insights.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you a fan of AI art? Then you'll be thrilled to hear about the latest update from Midjourney. Version 5.2 is here, and it's packed with mind-blowing features that are set to take your AI art experience to the next level. From image upscaling to personalized output adjustments, this update is a game-changer. Stay tuned to learn more about these incredible features and how they can enhance your AI art journey. Don't forget to check out the full article for a detailed breakdown. In today's digest, we delve into the world of coding interviews. Arslan Ahmad, an experienced interviewer, shares 12 crucial lessons to ace your coding interview. From technical skills to communication, problem solving, and maintaining composure, he covers it all. He emphasizes the importance of a good introduction, understanding the problem completely, and choosing a programming language you're proficient in. Stay tuned for more insights from this comprehensive guide. Check out the full article on Medium.com for a deeper dive.
Curious about how the average American is perceived by AI? Annie Wegner explores this intriguing topic using GPT-4. From the behavior and word choices of average Americans when they travel to the depiction of native Hawaiians in movies, this article offers a fascinating insight. So, if you're interested in AI, culture, or just curious about how we're seen through the eyes of technology, make sure to check out the full article on Medium.com.
In the third part of his series on modern software engineering, Dean Michael Barris delves into the controversial topic of documentation. He discusses the common misconceptions and the true value of well-written documentation in software engineering. Barris argues that documentation is more of an art than a science, and that it can save significant time and effort when done right. Stay tuned for more insights from this experienced software engineer. Check out the full article on Medium.com.
In an intriguing experiment, AI tool ChatGPT has been used to describe the average American man and woman based on data from various research papers. The results have been compared to those of another AI tool, Midjourney, which created images of the average American. The author plans to run a similar experiment with GPT-4, hoping for even more accurate results. Stay tuned for more on this fascinating exploration of AI and societal perception. For the full story, check out the original article on Medium.com.
In today's tech news, Twitter is reportedly on shaky ground. The social media giant has decided to limit the number of tweets users can see per day, making the platform almost impossible to use. This move, according to Elon Musk, is to prevent data scraping and system manipulation. However, this change has made the platform less appealing and difficult to use. Stay tuned for more updates on this story and don't forget to check out the full article on Medium.com.
Hey there! Ever thought of getting a unique tattoo design within seconds? Well, it's not a figment of your imagination anymore. AI tattoo generators are here to revolutionize the tattooing industry. With a few clicks, they analyze your input and generate an array of design options tailored to your personal preferences. Let's explore some of the best tattoo generators out there like Black Ink AI, Photor, Tattoo Genie, Tattoos AI, and AI Tattoos, Tattoo Maker and AR. Check out the full article to know more.
In a surprising turn of events, tech billionaires Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg have escalated their rivalry. The feud, which began after a SpaceX rocket carrying a Facebook satellite exploded in 2016, has now taken a new twist. Zuckerberg is developing a platform, initially named P92, to rival Musk's Twitter. The situation heated up when Musk responded to a fan's warning about Zuckerberg's Brazilian jiu-jitsu training, suggesting a cage match. Zuckerberg responded with "Send me location," and Musk suggested the Vegas Octagon. Will this fight actually happen? The world waits in anticipation. For more details, check out the full article.
In recent years, China has emerged as a global leader in artificial intelligence and robotics, raising questions about the impact on the U.S. market. With significant investments in research and development, Chinese companies have made notable progress. Stay tuned to learn more about China's pursuit of AI and robotic dominance and its potential implications.
Are you tired of reading through your manuscript for the umpteenth time? AutoCrit, an online writing tool, might be the solution you need. It analyzes your writing, highlighting areas for improvement such as passive voice, clichés, and even tense consistency. It even allows you to compare your work to best-selling books or specific authors. But remember, while it's a great tool, it won't replace the need for a real, live editor. Intrigued? Check out the full article on Medium.com.
Is the M1 MacBook still a good buy in 2023? Michael Swengel discusses the pros and cons of purchasing an M1 MacBook Pro in 2023, considering the release of the M2, M2 Pro, and M2 Max machines. He suggests that the M1 chip is still a viable option for users who don't require extreme power from their computers. However, for those needing more, the M1 Pro and M1 Max chips are still great options. Tune into the full article to get a comprehensive understanding of whether the M1 MacBook is the right choice for you.
In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, a new player is set to revolutionize the trading landscape. Meet MECX, a game-changer in decentralized trading, equipped with powerful bots and cutting-edge technology. This platform aims to democratize access to financial opportunities, empowering individuals to take control of their wealth. Stay tuned for the upcoming MECX Swap, a monumental event that promises to redefine crypto trading. For more details, check out the full article. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you torn between getting the M2 iPad Pro or the M1 iPad Air? Benny Lim shares his experience and insights on Medium.com. He's been using the 4th generation iPad Air for over 2 years and recently had to upgrade to support the Final Cut Pro app. He chose the 11-inch M2 iPad Pro over the 5th generation M1 iPad Air. Want to know why? Check out the full article. Discover the evolution and practical applications of ChatGPT, a conversational AI model developed by OpenAI. From enhancing productivity to providing emotional support, this AI has transformed our lives. Join us as we explore the journey of ChatGPT from a novelty to a necessity in our everyday lives. For more insights, check out the full article on Medium.com.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Did you know your Apple device is secretly protecting you from cyber threats? This article from The Useful Tech on Medium.com reveals how Apple's robust security settings act as your personal cyber shield. From iCloud Private Relay to encrypted DNS records, learn how your device keeps you safe in the digital world. Intrigued? Check out the full article for more. Welcome to the first issue of the Generative AI Weekly Newsletter. Stay updated with the latest news and top stories in AI. This week, we delve into the history of AI, explore the new features of the AI image generator, Midjourney version 5.2, and much more. Intrigued? Check out the full article on Medium.com for more fascinating insights into the world of AI.
Hey there! The author of The Moneypreneur has just reached a milestone of 100 followers. This publication, which covers a variety of topics such as money, business, side hustles, passive income, and crypto, has achieved this feat in just a month and a half. The author is grateful for the support and promises to continue delivering valuable content. Stay tuned for more and consider subscribing to Medium for premium stories. Check out the original article for more details.
Welcome back to our series on understanding Kubernetes security. Today, we delve into the key features of Kubernetes authentication. We'll explore HTTP-based, token-based, and certificate-based authentication methods, and how Kubernetes uses these to establish trust and verify user and service identities within the cluster. Stay tuned to learn more about securing your Kubernetes cluster. Don't forget to check out the full article on Medium.com. Ever wondered how life was managed 40 years ago without the convenience of modern technology? This intriguing article by Glyn Bawden takes us back in time, reminiscing about the days when arranging a meetup or finding a new place required letters, massive atlases, and asking locals for directions. It's a fascinating look at how far we've come. Check out the full article for a nostalgic trip down memory lane.
Hey there! Are you in search of instant essay solutions? Look no further. This article introduces 16 top-notch AI essay generator tools that are a game changer for students, researchers, and writers. These tools, powered by artificial intelligence, can create high-quality essays on any topic. From Grammarly to Evernote, these tools are revolutionizing the writing landscape. So, why wait? Embrace the future of writing with these AI tools. For more details, do check out the full article.
In today's digital age, the future of finance is in your pocket. This article provides a comprehensive guide to digital wallets, applications that securely store your payment information and passwords for financial transactions. They replace the need for physical cards or cash, and even extend to the realm of cryptocurrencies. For a deeper dive into how digital wallets work, their benefits, and their role in the cryptocurrency world, check out the full article.
Intrigued by the mysteries of the universe? American ufologist Tom Carey has reignited the age-old debate about extraterrestrial life by revealing what he claims are real photos of an alien body recovered from the top-secret Area 51. The photos, allegedly hidden by American agents for decades, are said to be from the infamous Roswell case in the late 1940s. Carey stands by the authenticity of these images, which he unveiled at a recent press conference. Want to know more? Check out the full article. Apple's WWDC event has unveiled a host of new devices, but the star of the show might just be the new tvOS 17. This version is packed with upgrades, including an enhanced control center, new sleep mode, and improved accessibility settings. Stay tuned for more details on these exciting features. Don't forget to check out the full article.
In an intriguing tale from 1979, a shepherd in Kazakhstan reportedly saved a Soviet nuclear weapon base from an invasion after encountering an alien that crashed with a UFO. The shepherd, Saganbai, discovered a silver disc and an escape pod, from which emerged a tall, slender figure with sparkling eyes. Stay tuned for the full story of this extraordinary encounter.
Dive into the mind of Steve Jobs and his unique approach to branding with our article, The Iconic Apple Store Design. Discover how Jobs transformed Apple from a mere smartphone company to an all-encompassing brand, creating an immersive and unique experience for customers. From the presentation of new products to the design of the Apple Store, every detail was meticulously planned. Don't miss out on this fascinating read.
Intrigued by the mysteries of the universe? Scientists are exploring the possibility of hidden dimensions existing simultaneously in the same space. This theory suggests that our reality is just one layer of many, with other dimensions interacting through quantum effects. Could this explain the strange phenomena of UFOs? Dive into the theory of invisible aliens and the idea that the universe might be a hologram. Check out the full article on Medium.com for a deeper understanding.
In today's tech-driven world, children are spending less time playing outdoors and more time in front of screens. This shift in behavior has raised concerns about the physical, mental, and social well-being of children. This article explores the effects of technology on kids' outdoor play and discusses the importance of reclaiming the joy of playing outside. Tune in to learn more about this pressing issue.
In today's tech news, Twitter is facing a self-inflicted DDoS attack. The issue has caused chaos on the platform, limiting access for all users, including those paying $8 a month. The problem appears to be an internal bug, causing what looks like a self-inflicted DDoS attack. Stay tuned for more details on this developing story and don't forget to check out the full article.
Dive into the world of machine learning with this insightful blog post. The author shares his experience and knowledge about the core subarea of artificial intelligence. Learn about the different techniques involved, including supervised and unsupervised learning. Don't miss out on this opportunity to understand how machines learn, grow, and develop on their own. Check out the full article on Medium.com. In the 21st century, technology is rapidly evolving and shaping our lives. From smartphones to laptops, the pace of technological advancement is so fast that it's almost impossible to keep up. This development is not only changing our ways of life but also driving our future. Stay tuned to learn more about how these remarkable gadgets are revolutionizing our world. Don't miss out on the full article on Medium.com. Are you preparing for your FAANG/MONG interview? You might be making a common mistake that could cost you months of wasted time. This article by Devansh, a machine learning expert, reveals a common error made by many interviewees. He shares his insights into programming, LeetCode, and system design, and offers advice on how to avoid this pitfall. If you're aiming to crack the coding interviews and take the next step in your career, this is a must-read. Check out the full article for more details. In the world of AI, NVIDIA's market value has briefly hit $1 trillion, making it one of the world's largest companies. Meanwhile, CNET employees have formed a union due to AI, and AMD has launched a new AI chip. These are just a few of the game-changing tools and news in the AI industry. For more exciting updates, check out the full article.
Intrigued by the mysteries of the universe? This article, based on Stuart Swerdlow's book, Montauk, The Alien Connection, suggests that 12 alien races have secret bases in our solar system, including Mars, Neptune, Venus, and even under the Earth. Some of these extraterrestrial races are believed to have been involved in the origin of life on Earth. Dive into this fascinating exploration of the unknown and discover the secrets that might be hiding in our very own solar system. Check out the full article for more.
Welcome back, folks. Today we're diving into the world of Ethereum. Our author, Costa Martinez, is a big fan and he's sharing his top 5 reasons why he believes Ethereum is set to explode in the next bull market. He even compares the potential gains to those of Bitcoin. Intrigued? Check out the full article for all the details. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but it's definitely food for thought for all you crypto enthusiasts out there.